Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the easiest breakout strategy you guys can do, whether you're a beginner or you're working a full-time job, or maybe you're already a pro trader and you're just wanting to learn more strategies. We're going to be talking about the best approach that I've used, so I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and how to find these stocks, check out our school. It's awesome. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. It's like a college class. We have a final exam. So check it out down below, and you guys can get 20% off by using code YouTube. It's an 8-week course with lifetime access, and we constantly update it. So make sure you guys click that link, sign up, and use code YouTube. So guys, let's jump into this. So a breakout strategy is one of the best strategies traders can do, because what this does is this helps find trend reversals. You know, with this stock here that we're going to be talking about is a stock that we actually recently just took a position with, and we're already up a couple $100. So let's turn to the computer and break this down. All right, so the broker I am using is Moomoo. Now, the reason why having a good broker is so important is because you want to make sure that you have a good charting system with good drawing tools and indicators. So I never make a trade just off one indicator. I want as many indicators in my favor as I can, and I want some sort of confirmation. So the first thing that I have on my checklist here for finding that breakout strategy is a stock on an upward trend. With this one here, RYAN, you guys will notice the stock has gone from about $41 all the way up to highs at $75. So it has that really nice upward trend, which is really nice. So the next thing here is sell-off. We need sell-off. Sell-off historically brings opportunity, and I am somebody where I actually like sell-off. I never get scared of sell-off. You know, so we've seen some good sell-off from $75 all the way back down here to about $60, which is about a 20% sell-off in about a month span. So you always hear that thing, buy low, sell high. And given that the stock has sold off, this is a low point for the stock. It's like buying this stock, you know, a couple months ago in, you know, late or mid August this year, or in 2024. So, you know, all of this growth was wiped away, so it brings some opportunity. The next thing that we need is an undervalued RSI, which at the time the RSI was trading for about a 21. The last time it was trading for a 21, let's go ahead and draw it out. Last time a little bit in here, and we had a little good move there. But previous to that, let's see, was back all the way back in here where we saw this good move, where we had that good trend line breakout. So now here, as we look at it, we have that very similar approach, right? We have this sell-off and we want to get in, but you don't want to get in here, right, and just have it continue to sell off. So what do you look for? One of the things that I do is I go to the hourly time frame. Going to the hourly time frame helps figure out the resistance lines, and that's what you need. Sometimes it can be a trend line, right? Sometimes it can be something like this, like that. Sometimes it can be a moving average line. With this one here, it's kind of like a combination of both here. It was trend and moving average lines. Now, if we remove the moving average lines, you guys can see kind of how hard this trend line was. Ideally, you want to get 3 points of selling pressure to establish resistance, you know, for a resistance line. So 1, 2, 3, about 3. So it kind of is this trend line, but more importantly, what I was looking at is this red line. This red line is what we call the 200-day moving average line. You guys can see in the past where the stock broke out, the stock then went from about $68 to $75. So what we're looking for is a very similar approach. Okay, so we got in on this breakout, and like we covered yesterday with having a good swing trading routine, we got an alert here at 63.24, and that's exactly where we got in. We got in here, keeping our stop loss below 61 for a possible push up to high. So in here, about there is our stop for a possible push up to about here. That's a 7.5 to 1 risk versus reward. So we are risking $1 to make $7. Now, where did we get in and why? Is above that moving average line. You guys can see in the past where it hit it, right? It hit these lines and we get sell off, hits them, sell off. So we want to get in when that stock is above these moving average lines. So just like how we did, good entry point would have been right here, keeping stop below that. That's exactly what we had going on. So this is a very, very simple approach. It's using several different time frames like the daily, hourly, and other indicators like moving average lines, RSI lines, and just general trend lines to find those breakouts. And that's what you look for. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys want to learn how to find these opportunities, check out our school. It's awesome. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, and you guys can get 20% off by using code YouTube. Only one spot left for that code. So click that link, sign up, and I'll see you guys in there. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.